We are gonna find the value of negative 4 squared plus 4 over negative 4 to the power of 2 plus 4. Alright, first negative 4 squared is gonna be 16. I write it here, plus this 4 over negative 4 squared is gonna be 16 plus this 4. On top we have 16 plus 4, which means 20, over bottom 16 plus 4, which means 20. And all you know, any number divided by itself is gonna be 1. If you thought the answer was 1, you are wrong. Why? Because we need to understand the difference between this term and this term. What is the difference between them? In this case, a square cares only about this 4, not negative. So it is gonna be, let me write it here, negative 4 squared, 4 times 4, plus this 4, I write it here, over. In this case, negative is a part of deal, so it is gonna be negative 4 times negative 4 plus this 4. Okay, then negative, I write it here, 4 times 4, 16, plus this 4 on top, bottom, negative times negative, positive. 4 times 4, 16, plus this 4. On top we have negative 16 plus 4, which means negative 12, over 16 plus 4 is gonna be 20. 12 divided by 4 is gonna be 3. 20 divided by 4 is gonna be 5. So the answer is gonna be negative 3 over 5.